Jerico Plastic Industries brings you innovation in custom compounds and formulations for the rotational molding industry. Our services include custom color matching, product recommendations, custom resin modifications, toll services, cycle development, and troubleshooting. But there's so much more to Jerico, and we've got a story to tell. Here's what's new. Innovation remains a priority, and we've been hard at work advancing compound technology and expanding product lines to better meet the needs of our customers in several areas. Within recent months, we've developed and launched an adhesion compound called JBond and a growing line of sustainable compounds known as JSustain. We have substantially increased our manufacturing capacity and warehouse space due to these new product lines and significant growth. In Georgia, we've recently completed the expansion of our lab and blending room. We target adhesive functionality of polyethylene at the inner layer with our new JBond adhesion compound. A functionalized polyethylene resin, JBond provides outstanding adhesive properties by forming a bond between itself and the insulating foam. This product was developed to meet the demand for increased bond strength between PE and insulating foams. JBond provides targeted functionalization that won't affect the external surface behavior. The adhesion is achieved through a chemical bond with no need for plasma or ozone treating. It delivers superior adhesion with only slight temperature modifications to standard molding cycles. As shown here, it adheres to insulating foams but not to the mold surface. JBond offers exceptional color consistency and clarity and is easily processed. The chemical bond that's formed between the interior surface and foam won't degrade over time. As you can see, this bond is strong enough to uphold the integrity of corners in various designs. A common application for JBond is contemporary high-performance coolers such as you see here. This short test video demonstrates the bond strength and integrity created between the insulating foam and our JBond adhesion compound. Our JSustain line of sustainable compounds is the next revolution in recycled resin. We are committed to developing sustainable polymer compounds that help promote cleaner waterways and to the advancement of recyclability of post-consumer and post-industrial waste in rotational molding. JSustain fully formulated polyethylene compounds are ready to use, have excellent moldability, good impact properties, and provide a solid balance of overall physical properties. On the manufacturing side, we have increased our production capabilities through expansion at both facilities. With the purchase of a new building, we have added a central manufacturing site in Minerva for our JSustain polymer compounds. This line includes our traditional post-industrial formulated compounds and our newly launched post-consumer engineered compounds. The compounding process shows extruded polymer coming through the strand die to be cooled in the water bath. After cooling, it will go to the pelletizer. Also in Minerva, we have added nearly 30,000 square feet to our warehouse and manufacturing space in order to meet the growing demands of our customers. In Georgia, we have expanded our blending room by approximately 4,000 square feet, which increases to over 7,000 square feet, the total area dedicated to blending. We are relocating the laboratory to a newly acquired 1,200 square foot space. From every location, our team is here and ready to support you and your goals. For more information, go to jericoplastic.com.